up, YouTube? We're finally back with another video. And look what we got. Some car parts. And my dog. So we got the TN Flex Z coilovers. And some 20mm wheel spacers for the front and rear. So we're going to save this for the weekend. And we'll just hit this up real quick. Happy good. What? Good girl. Where's my other dog? And Boba. How you doing? Okay, let's get installed. Passenger front wheel first. We're gonna break all the bolts and then jack up the car with this jack. So my other jack isn't lifting up my car high enough anymore, so I think it's broken. So I gotta go buy a new jack. But for now, we're gonna use the jack that comes with the car. So we're gonna put these 20mm spacers on all four wheels to fix this horrible gap in the wheel well right now. We're gonna try and make it flush right here, as you can see. Especially the rears, they're so horrible. Look at that. So we're gonna push these wheels out and make it flush. I got this 20mm spacers. They're hub centric. Okay, now you try to tighten as much with a star pattern. Now you get your torque wrench and set it to 90 foot-pounds. I use 90 foot-pounds on my other car, my other GT86, and I assume it's the same for this car. 90 foot-pounds in a star pattern. So here's a trick I learned from the Eliminate boys. Just use a thick screwdriver and put it right here in between the rotor and the caliper. All right. Now check all. We're good. Oh, look at that. That flush fitment there. Besides the gap. But we'll fix that gap on another day. We have the coilovers in the house right now. And wait until I got a better jack. Then we'll install the coilovers. But now it's not so sunken in. Now, for the other side. Guys, got all 4 wheels pushed out with the 20mm spacers. So let's take a look now. Damn, look at the difference. Driver's side, passenger side, I mean. Look at that. Nice. Rear wheel fitment. Look how it lines up with the fender now. So if you guys wanna fix your fitment from stock just a little bit, I suggest getting 20mm spacers. If you guys love the stock wheels, I love the stock wheels. So I got a limited version, 18 inches. Got some good tires on it. So I want to make use of those tires for a little bit. And I'll be lowering it in another video. So the fitment is going to be even way better. So again guys, please comment, like, and subscribe for the next video. And we'll lower this thing, okay? Peace.